Hi, I'm Tiffany, and this is Booker. We're at Grady Veterinary Hospital. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about pocket pets. One thing that I'd recommend to keep them happy and healthy, and this is where a lot of problems start with them, is their husbandry. You want to make sure that you've got the appropriate bedding, cage, and food for them. That way they have a healthier life and they are less prone to be sick. One thing where I'd recommend with any small pocket pet, like a hamster, guinea pig, rabbit, you want to do a paper-based bedding only. Stay away from pine and cedar. Those hardwoods can cause liver issues long term. And aspen bedding is safe, but it's not as commonly found. So there's a product called Carefresh, which is just one brand that I'd recommend. That's a safe one for them. Another thing to be aware of with the cage is it the right size? Sometimes they'll get a small cage for them. If it's a hamster, that's appropriate. A rabbit might need a larger area, or they need an exercise area or a ball to play in. Same with guinea pigs. Another thing to think about when you have pocket pets is their food source. Most of them actually benefit better from having a pelleted diet rather than having the fancy diet with all the little things that look appealing to us. Those actually fed at a constant rate can cause them to get obese or cause dietary issues. And so a pelleted diet is best for them. Each animal has an individual one, and each has their own needs. For example, guinea pigs are vitamin C deficiency, and you want to make sure that you supplement their diet not only through their food but through their water to make sure that they don't get scurvy or other complications due to that. Another thing when it comes to diet, a lot of people like to vary their diet, which is good. Just be aware that you're doing the correct things. Dark leafy greens like romaine lettuce and kale and parsley are often welcome, and they're a better choice than iceberg lettuce, which is mostly water. And you want to do that in moderation as well as carrots. I know that everyone thinks rabbits eat carrots all the time. Well, it's better in moderation because you can cause dietary upset, and these guys are way more sensitive than some people think. Another thing to keep in mind is their water source. A lot of animals do drink out of bowls, but you also want to provide a clean source of water, like a water bottle, and check it daily to make sure that it's able to dispense water and that the animal's drinking. You also want to check your pet daily and make sure he hasn't gotten sick. The best thing to do when you get any pocket pet, any pet in general, is to research the animal, but a lot of people don't do that when they get pocket pets. They think they're easy, they're small, they're just easy to take care of, but you need to be aware of a number of things. We do see exotic pets at Grady Veterinary Hospital, but we don't specialize, but we're willing to try what we can with them. We see most commonly guinea pigs, rabbits, ferrets, sometimes hamsters and gerbils. We also see chinchillas. On that note, the best way to keep your pet healthy is to keep his environment healthy and make sure that you're providing him everything. So please use these tips as just a start and do your research before you get them.